What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm your boy Ricky Johnson. So in today's video, we're going to be installing Steeda jack and rails. I know you guys must be wondering, why am I installing Steeda jack and rails? Reason being, I had the BMR, which is behind me. I had the BMR jack and rails previously on the car, and I had to take them off when I installed the Steeda subframe brace. Unfortunately, the BMR does not work with the Steeda subframe brace, so that's the reason why I had to take them off. And today we just got into the Steeda jack and rails, which is supposed to work with the Steeda subframe brace. So this is gonna be a real quick video. All right, guys, so remember, this is the road to 1,000 subscribers, so please help your boy out. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and hit the bell notification. All right, let's jump right into the video. So from the looks of this definitely will work. Definitely looks shorter than the BMR, so this would definitely work with the Steeda subframe brace. So let's get this installed. Okay, guys, so the bars are side specific. This bar here, the longer one goes on the driver's side, the shorter one goes on the passenger side. As I was installing it, I didn't realize it. I was installing the passenger side on the driver's side, wondering why it wasn't lining up. So they are size specific. I didn't know that. I didn't read any direction. I was just installing it because jack and rails are very easy to do, but they are size specific, just in case you guys are wondering. All right, let's jump right back into the installation now. So, all right, guys, I forgot to mention on the other side, so these are the rubber covers that cover the hole on here, so and no dirt or anything gets in there. So pretty easy to install. It goes like that. And that is it. Looks good. Finally, after I don't know how long, I haven't had jack and rails, about 6 by 8 months maybe. And these were on back order, to be honest with you. So that's pretty much it, guys. The install is complete. All right, guys, so I'm gonna end the video right here, but make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, smash the like button, help your boy out reach 1,000 subscribers, man. See you in the next video. Peace.